Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your United Wholesale Mortgage account. So go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser and then search for google.com. Now in the Google search bar, go and search for United Wholesale Mortgage Login. Now tap on the first link which appears on your screen. Wait for a while and it will lead you to the United Wholesale Mortgage login account. Now, if you don't have an account, you should go ahead and click Create One here and start creating an account for yourself. Write your last name, your SSN or ITN or EIN number, and then click on Find My Loan. And after that, you can create an account for yourself. To log into your account or to sign into your account, write down your username, your password, and just hit the sign in button. Now if you have forgotten your username or your password, tap on this link which is here, and then it will lead you to this page. Go ahead and write down your last name, SSN number, ITIN number or EIN number, and tap on this box over here and verify that you are not a robot. Submit the application and a mail will be sent to your email address, and then you can reset your username or your password with the same process. So it's quite simple, guys. Go to google.com, go to United Wholesale Mortgage and open the first link which appears, and go ahead and hit the sign in button after entering your username and your password. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.